Nigga eat his teeth like popcorn. Been rich shooter, I ain't never had a hot one. But I wanna saw you like Splurge, do you got one? He tryna cut off his ears, you can't hear no. He asking to talk to his bitch.
Back with another lit banger. As y'all can tell by the title, well, I'm gonna show y'all how to change our Facebook name to one name. Like this. Or like this, you feel me? So it's real simple and easy. This is the most easiest video you could ever watch, you feel me? So make sure you hit that like button, get this video to 5 likes, and I'm gonna drop another lit video for y'all, you dig? So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to get all my notifications. I post new bangers, you feel me? So what y'all gonna do first thing first, go to the App Store, like always. Go to the App Store, type in VPN, like my last video I showed y'all. This one right here, open it up. What's up? Alright, so keep this, when you open it up, just keep it on auto mode, you feel me? Go to fastest location, scroll down to India. Click that check mark, Let it connect, disconnect it, right? Alright. Okay, so next what y'all wanna do, go to Safari. Type in Facebook. Just like that. Then you wanna go to log into Facebook. Don't go to Facebook, cause you go to Facebook, it's gonna take you to the app. And we don't wanna go to the app, we wanna go to the desktop version, you feel me? So click log into Facebook. Just go to the account, whichever one you wanna do it on. Then this is the most important part of the video, so I want y'all to pay close attention to everything that I'm finna say. So next to M, type in basic. For you basic ass motherfucker, now let me stop playing. Okay, enter it. Click on go. If you have an iPhone, it's gonna say go. If you have an Android, it's gonna say enter. I don't know what it's gonna say, but yeah. So y'all want to scroll down to the plus sign right here. And this part is also the most important part. Alright, so you want to go to Tamil right here. Tamal, Samuel, whatever you want to call it. Click on that. Alright, then once you click on that, go to this. Go to the first one. Click on your name. Okay, you want to delete your last name, exactly what I just did. Then just click on the blue button, just like that. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's an easy video, bro. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like this video, bro. I'll be posting all the good videos. Y'all can't even lie. So type in your password, just like that. After you type your password, click that blue button. What that say? Hold on. I gotta show y'all proof right quick. I'm on my Facebook. Oh, now. What that say? First name only? Bro, chill, boy. I'm telling y'all this video worked. I don't know why y'all sleeping on me. Anyways, y'all, that's the end of the video. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all. We're gonna roll to 600 subs. I'm out.
Draco came with no kickback. Said they won't smoke 'em with that. Got a whole lot of racks in the big bag. When I ride through the town, yeah.